Wait. Before we get into the video, for those of you who didn't win the nails giveaway, there's still a chance that you can get something at a discounted price, you know? A discounted price for the month of July. When you use discount code PATAT, when booking with Sets by Liza, you get a $10 off any set that you want to get done. $10 off. $10. Don't sleep on y'all. Go and book with Sets by Liza. $10 off. Code PATAT. Yeah. We starting the video a little late. As you can see, it's after 5 already. But you see, I don't know if you can see from the camera alone. But the weather looking absolutely terrible. Terrible. So today going to be a little bit of a different type of vlog. This weekend we plan on going down south. When I say we, I mean like NBP and also a few other partners from work. Like on bike, we plan on going to the south just for a little ride, you check it. But yesterday the weather was terrible. Today, you know already, life. But the time that we finding to ride is later in the day. So you're going to get a vlog in the night. You're all about to see nightlife on a Sunday in the north. Ah, guys, I have too much fun on that bike, eh? But yeah, me say, I'm about to link up with my partners and about to just, you know, vlog. Yeah. And a shrug in my shoulders like y'all can see me. Yeah. Oh, and I lose my gloves again. Shocker? Nope. But yeah, that's not usually my route. But we're going to the north of the island and you're about to experience the Sunday night life up in Kosile.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
Yeah, me see, we at the marina. Got a link up with 2 of my partners. Free of them. But let me just show you the bike there as it stands. Clean, take a wash this morning there, but we still missing the crash bar. But in about 10 seconds I am about to show you the last set of good men alive. So if you have a man there right now, not a good man. Yeah, me see, I tell you all, you're about to see the last set of good men alive. They don't have no... Check a Muslim. I don't have easy job. What's the prayer there say on the mat?
Boss man, I'm Muslim, man.
Yeah, the mat there. Yeah. What are you saying? Say something for YouTuber. Damn, man.
Yeah, so
Huh? You believe I sell it anyway? I sell it, yeah.
Like I saw you the bike.
Man, 20 that. But yeah, me see, we're gonna eat. I'm dirty mad for the day. You check it? Dirty mad. But yeah, that's the last set of good men alive. If you all have a man, and he's not at that table there,
And at that table too.
and at that table there too,
Yeah. Big up yourself.
you're not a good man. You see, I have a fully Muslim partner, and that man was just eating right through, what do you call that thing? Ramadan? That man is eating right through Ramadan. That man not taking his religion seriously at all. Put your hijab back on. You're in public. Let me see. We're gonna eat there now. Alright, dog, that fire, you know. Most of them not supposed to eat them thing, but you know already. We have a midget there. That they like a wheel for that, man. And they have a rasta. That's what rasta is supposed to be eating. Fish.
A few moments later.
Yeah, me say audio messed up, so you know already. Voice over pattern, enter the chat. Alright, in that clip right there, you can see that I'm at the fire station. They're tending to my wounds again. Boy, I thought I was finished with falling, but yeah, I fall in the same way in a wheelie. But I hit the back brakes, it went back down. I gave it a little bit more gas to try and continue the wheelie. Hit the back brakes, next thing I know I rolling on the ground. Yeah, I go finish with that wheelie thing, yeah.
Later.
Yeah, me say it's a new day. We driving today. It's a whole different type of vlog. We're driving today. We're gonna get a rim. And I'm going to record me getting the rim because you know already. You know already. We in ST.LUCIA. That's not something that's normal for people to be recording and vlogging and saying boom boom boom. But it's a couple days later. It's today's first day. We fell on Sunday. Let me show you all the bobos. All the bobos you all can see. Yeah, that one already healing up nicely. But I haven't shown you all the bike yet. The bike, bro, that there as if charges, you know, send that in the air and place that back down proper. We have a bent rim. We're currently sourcing a rim right now. And yeah, that's about the extent of the damage. Yeah, bent rim. Yeah, that's it. Really and truly. Yeah, so myself and Peace, we're going on a mission there to view that, see if it can work. But apart from that, the bike didn't sustain anything. And if you wondering where I fell, that was at the promenade in Boss Issue, in that big open lot where they do the bike lessons. Yeah, took a fall inside of there. But all around, we good. We Gucci. Bike on the road soon. I just got back into the vlogging after, but that was after the last fall. That's crazy, and I didn't fall already. But let's go. Gonna get things sorted. Get that bike back on the road. I'm going to take it a lot more easy. But yeah, missy, I go pick you up after we view the rim. Hopefully the rim is a fit. There's no issues with the rim, nothing. And yeah, all we have to do after that is probably just color match the rims. And that's about it. Yeah, I go pick you all back up later. Yeah, I meet up with Peace for compare and contrast. We have a good rim, not rolling on a bike. You check it. So we're gonna check that out. Making a right turn there.
Later.
Yeah, me say unsuccessful. And the fellas moving out. Peace in the back. Them man going on around. Let me see if I can get all of them. Tracer. And yeah, the sevens in the back. But yeah, me say, was a bit of an unsuccessful little run getting a rim. So that's going to be my delay for now. I go pick you all back up. And next day, today there is just a zingle when you see it comes to that. So I go pick you all back up when I source a rim. Not when I source a rim. Just another day to just give you all a next update. Yeah, me say damage assessment. That's almost 2 weeks later. 2 weeks later, we're getting the rim off. The rim had a bend. Let me show you all the bend. Yeah, the rim have a little bend. Tropical there. Doing the mech. If you all want any mechanical services, Tropical doing anything for you. Changing your valve caps, that's $100. Anything.
Your bike might not come back in one piece.
No, your bike coming back in one piece. All bikes coming back in one piece. Like the top mech there.
You see, not me that say that there.
Yeah. Link, Tropical. for all mechanical services for bikes. And consult Dirty Matt for bike classes. Yeah? Yeah. Hear me say it a little later in the day. I haven't met with none of the giveaway winners yet. But I got the tire off the rim. Let me just show you all that. Boom. So y'all can see the bend up there. Yeah, the bend away. Check my wounds, yeah. Let me not show you that to a little graphic. But yeah, that is it as it stands. Gotta get that sorted. And then we go see. Yeah, me say new day. Today we're going to be dropping the giveaway winners prizes for them. I've got in contact with the person who won the nails, so we're going to go and drop that for them. Going to blur their face, you know. Not everybody wants to be on camera at every time of the day, so that's the request. So we're going to show me handing over the giveaway winners prize. That's the voucher for the nails, where they got 2 sets for free and 2 nail fills as well. So somebody is going to win 2 sets of brand new sets. If you want to do French tips or the short tips, like I said in the video, the last video, they're going to win that. And also they're going to get 2 refills along with that. So in the next clip, we're going to meet up with bro, and he's going to hand it over to his girlfriend, his mother, his sister, whoever he wanted for. Yeah. Oh, one more thing. Let me put up my window. The glove giveaway. The glove giveaway winner. That's Kai Nathaniel. Nathan? Let me verify this. Yes, so the giveaway winner for the gloves is Kai Nathan. That's Kai Nathan on YouTube. We had the giveaways crossing platforms both on Instagram and YouTube. So it was Kai Nathan who won the gloves. Trying to get into contact with Kai Nathan right now. If you all see him in this video, that means I got him before the video uploaded. If not, you'll probably see him in the next video or whatever. But yeah, that's it for today. And yeah, giveaway winners in 3, 2, 1. This clip was supposed to be me giving the giveaway winners their prizes. However, just cannot coordinate that on camera. So all the giveaway winners will get their stuff off camera. I'll probably update every one of them on the Instagram, so everybody knows that, you know, the giveaway prizes were given away. But moving on from that, Dominica Bike Festival, NBP, will we be showing up? Find out. And also a little update on the bike. We're getting some stuff sorted. The bike, like I said, it's minimal stuff. That bike will be up and running. But it's running, but it will be up and riding soon. Soon, mark my words, soon. Watch out for the bike festival week. Will we show up? Find out.
What you guys have to say about the bike? Yeah. Tell me something. Fuck the bike.